back in my lecture. Today discuss about of the for loop pattern. We had discussed about the very simple pattern discuss in for loop. But today we'll discuss more advanced the pattern. We had discussed about previous lecture discussions about the increment or inner loop and outer loop. But today we'll discuss about way more advanced as a like. Let us discuss. Today is my pattern. Today's my pattern is 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. We know this is used for inner loop and outer loop. Firstly, we have write this code in Sublime. Okay, then explain code. Firstly, I have to create file and then save in code. Okay, this code location is my C drive, then online folder select and then code example. This is example 34.c. okay. Firstly, use of preprocessor statement, use of the studio header input and file. Okay, then use of main function. Okay, I declare two variable a and b for inner loop and outer loop. Okay, then firstly for loop, this is the outer loop. A equals to 1, a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5, a plus plus. This is the outer loop. This is the outer loop. Okay, then curly braces start. Okay, again this loop, this is the outer loop. B equals to 5, b less than equals to 1, and b minus minus. Then curly braces start. Then print statement equals to %d equals to p. Okay, then outer loop entry and use of next line statement. This is the inner loop. Okay, inner loop, and this is the print statement. Which value print as a like b. Okay, but how to this work of the code? Firstly, we will explain. Okay, firstly, first loop is used for a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5, and a plus plus. Then for b equals to 5, b greater than equals to 1, and b minus minus. Then outer loop has print the print statement %t and b, then exit from inner loop, then entry in outer loop and the print statement execute, then outer loop is closed. What happened this? What happened of this is the outer loop. Firstly, a equals to r, 1 less than 5, condition is true. So what is the value of a? A equals to 1. Okay, then condition, if conditions will true, so then execute in the our block. What is the our block? Our block is the inner loop. What is the inner loop? B equals to 5. Okay, b equals to 5. 5 initialize into b. Then condition check. 5 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. Yes, greater than 1. Condition is true. Condition is true. So to execute of the. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? B equals to 5. 5 greater than 1. Then condition is true. So again execute of loop. What is the value print of b? 5. Then b minus. What is the value of b? Previous value 5b, but current value of b is the 4. Then condition check 4 greater than 1. Of course, 4 greater than 1. Condition is true, false. Condition is true. Then execute of our block. What is the value of print b? B equals to 4. And value of date of B, what is the value of B? 3, because previous value of B is the 4, but current value is 3. 3 is greater than 3. The condition is true, so our block of execute, what is the value of print of B? Is 3. Then value of date of B, previous value is 3, but current value is 2 after updations. Then condition check, 2 is greater than 1. Of course, 2 is greater than, so what is the value of print of B? 2. Again value of date of B, previous value is 2, current value of date is 1. What is the value of B? B equals to 1. But condition check, 1 greater than 1? No, condition is false. But one operator include with greater than is equals to, but 1 is not greater 1, but 1 equals to 1. 1 equals to 1, condition is 2, so what is the value of print B? Is 1. The first statement is the first inner loop. Then again value of date of B, so what is the previous value of A? 1. Previous value, current value is B? 0. Then condition check, 0 is greater than 1? No. 0 is greater than 1? No. 0 equals to 1? No. Condition is false. Execute of block? No execute of block, because inner loop condition is false. If you know, if any block statement condition is false, so not execute of block. We know this statement. Then exit from inner loop, then entry in outer loop. Outer loop execute of the print statement. What is the use of print statement? Print statement use of next line. Then return control into the outer loop. What is the previous value of A? A is first 1. Again value of date A. What is the previous value of A? 1. After updations value A 2. Okay. 2 is 2 less than 5. Of course 2 is greater than 5. Condition is true, false. Condition is true. Condition is true. The 2 execute of our block. What is our block? Block is the inner loop. Again restart inner loop B start from 5. What is the value of B? 5. Okay, again 5 is start. Just erase this statement. Okay, this B. What is the value of B? 5. Okay, 5 is greater than 1. Of course 5 is greater than 1. Condition is true. Condition is true. The 2 execute statement. Again, of course, sorry, this is the print next line statement. What is the value of print of B? 5. Again value of date of B according of previous value. Previous value is the 5. After updations value B is 4. 4 is greater than 1. Of course 4 is greater than 1. Then execute statement of B. So what is the print of B? What is print of B? 4. Again value of date. Again value of date of B. So what is the previous value of B? B is 4. After updations value of B 3. 3 is greater than 1. Condition is true. Execute of our block. So what is the print of value of B? Is 3. Okay. Again value of date of B is 2, because B has previous values 3, so after updations value of 2 is greater than 1, condition is 2, so obviously execute of our block of print statement of 2. Then again value of date of B. So what is the value B? 1, because previous value B has 2, after updation is 1, and 1 is greater than 1, no, condition is false, but equals 1 equals to 1, condition is 2, so 2 execute of block, so what is the value of print of B? 1. Okay. Next, again value of date of B. So what is the previous value of B? Is 1. So next, after updations value of B has 0. 0 is greater than 1? No. 0 is equals to 1? No. Condition is false. So not execute of our block. Exit from the inner loop and entry in outer loop. Outer loop execute of print statement. What is the use of print statement? Print statement is the next line. What is the next line? It's this is next line statement. Okay. Again control return the back outer loop. Outer loop is the previous value of A. What is the previous value of A? Is 2. After updations value of A 3. because 3 is less than 5. Yes, of course, 3 is less than 5. Condition is true. So execute of our block. What is our block? Inner loop. Inner loop again is start, beginning, again is start. Okay. B from start 5. Okay. 5 is greater than 1. Yes, 5 is greater than 1. Condition is true, then execute of our block. What is the value of print B is the 5. Then again value update of B. What is the previous value of B is the 5. After updations value is the 4. 4 is greater than 1. Of course 4 is greater than. Condition is true. The next statement execute of the what is the print of the B. Next statement is the 4. Again value update of B. What is the previous value of B? 3. After updations of 3. After updations of B is 3 because previous value B of 5 4. After updation is 3. Then 3 is greater than 1. Of course 3 is greater than 1 and print statement is 3. Okay. Next again value update of B 2 after updations. Again value condition check 2 is greater than 1. Yes, 2 is greater than, condition is 2. So print statement is 2. Okay. Next again update of value of B. After updations value is B is 1. Okay. Next B equals to 1. B is greater than 1. No. B is equals to 1. Yes. Condition is 2. Our value block execute. So what is the print of value of B? Again value update of B. So B will be 0. Because previous value B has 1, after updations B will be 0. 0 is greater than 1. No. 0 equals to 1. No. Condition is false. So exit from inner loop, then entry in outer loop. Outer loop execute of the print statement. Print statement execute of the next line. It's next line. Okay. Again value update of A. What is the value of A? A equals to 4. Because previous value has is 3, after updations value is a 4. 4 less than 5. Cause 4 less than 5. Condition is 2. After again outer loop execute again inner loop. B value from start B 5 equals to 1. Yes, 5 equals to 1. Sorry. 5 greater than 1. Yes, 5 greater than. Okay, condition is 2. Yes, condition is 2. So print statement B 5. Again value update B because B will be 4. Because after updations B will 4. And B greater than 1. Yes, B is greater than 1. So B print is the 4. Again value update of B 3 greater than 1. Yes, condition is 2. 3 print. Okay. Next value update of B again 2 greater than 1. Of course 2 is greater than, condition is 2. Print 2 statement. Again value update of 1 B 1 greater than 1. Yes, no. 1 greater than 1 equals to 1. Condition is true. Okay. Until conditions will true, while condition is true, the 2 execute continuous statement until conditions will false. Okay. Again value update of B is 0. Okay. 0 is greater than 1. No. 0 is greater than 0 equals to 1. No. Condition is false. And exit from inner loop, entry in outer loop. Outer loop execute print statement, and print statement execute of next line is its next line. It is next line. Next line again value update of A. What is the previous value of A? Previous value of A B. But A will 5 because after updations A 5 great less than 5. No. 5 equals to 5. Yes, 5 equals to 5. Again start B from 5 equals to 1. 5 B equals to 5. B equals to 5 greater than 1. Yes, 5 greater than 1. The print statement B is the 5 because condition is true. Again value update of B. What is the value of B? B will 5. B will be 5. So B will be 4 greater than 1. Yes, 4 greater than 1. Again value of condition is 2. So print B is 4. Again value update of B. So B will 3 is greater than 1. Of course the condition is true, so print is 3. Okay, again value of date of B. What is the value of B? 2. 2 is greater than 1. Of course 2 is greater than 1. So what is the value of B? Current value of B is 2. So 2 will be print. Again value of date of A. So what will be A? What is the will be B? B was 1. B greater than 1? No. B equals to 1? Of course B equals to 1. So what is the will be B print? B will be print 1. Okay. Again value of date of B. So what is the value of B? B will be 0. 0 is greater than 1? No. Condition false. B equals 0 equals to 1? No. Condition false. So exit from inner loop, then outer entry loop execute of the print state and print statement execute of the next line. Okay. Then again control back outer loop and value update of A 6, because previous value A has 6 and after updation value A is 6. 6 is less than 5? No. 6 equals to 5? No. Exit from outer loop. Then exit from firstly exit from inner loop, then exit from outer loop. Okay. We will check the output. Okay. With terminal. Let us. Discord, CD code, CD online class. Then GCC. What is the name of our program? 34.c. Okay. And this is the okay. Last time is the code save. Control S. Then again execute. Again compile of this code. Again compile of code. Check your output. Check your output with code. Okay, 5544321. Okay, if you want to the back practice, so again and to again write this code in notebook, laptop, again to write this code. If you want to the best in the code. I hope understand of this video. So please like or share my video. If you have any doubt, so please comment or comment in section box. If you are new user, so please subscribe my channel for upcoming with this video. Okay, viewers, thank you so much.